Hello, it's me Omotari and I'm here with
Win from Kenya.
habari gani?
Nzuri sana.
Uko sawa?
Yeah, kabisa.
So we are done doing a tour with her, and I want to ask her like, how did you see Rwanda and how was the tour we did together?
Oh my, Rwanda is so beautiful.
Mhm.
Such a clean city.
Wow.
Everyone should just come and visit. The tour was worth it. I got to learn in depth about Rwanda and how it operates, different parts. Got to learn about the different districts, right?
Yes.
Went to town, so many parts. Yeah, I have a full understanding of how Rwanda now is, and
So you enjoyed
exactly.
it.
Very much.
And what can you tell other people out there who wish to visit Rwanda? Should they book a tour with me or?
Yes, sure, very much worth it. Please book your tour with your
Yomotari.
Motari. Very much worth it.
Thank you
Yes.
so much.
Bye bye.
Shukran.